Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be talking about what I've learned and what I've earned from posting on YouTube consistently for 1 year. So I've been on YouTube for about a year now, and I've learned a few things, and overall it's been a great experience, and I can't wait to continue. So let's go ahead, get into the things that I learned and earned from being on YouTube for over a year. So this is my car right here. I've had this since I got my driver's license, and I've had it way before I started YouTube, but it has been a big part of the channel. So many of you may not know I even have this car, but I have made some videos with it, and I enjoy making videos with it, and that brings me to my first point. The first thing I learned on YouTube is that it's all about having fun. So the reason we're starting with this vehicle here is because, of course, most of you guys know me for the KLX stuff, motorcycles and whatnot, but at heart, I started as a car guy, and, well, of course I still like them. I learned that if I want to do this whole YouTube thing, that I need to have fun, and you shouldn't be doing it for the wrong reasons. If you're not having fun, then you're not going to have motivation to make videos, and I like cars and motorcycles, so occasionally I'll throw in the Corvette video just to keep things interesting and fun because, hey, like I said, I enjoy cars too. Some people have come to me with the question, what do you recommend I film? What do you think I should do? And for those people who did ask, I just told them to have fun with it, do what you want to do, don't worry about what other people think, because at the end of the day, you have to enjoy it, or else why do it in the first place? Next is be consistent. So consistency, we're with the KLX right here, and that's because to stay consistent, the KLX is one of the driving vehicles that has allowed me to stay consistent, whether that be doing build stuff, making reviews, testing out different mods, or just going out, having some fun and doing a moto vlog. Right now it's hard to do car stuff and be consistent with that because, you know, car stuff kind of costs a lot of money. But people like the KLX stuff. People like seeing, I guess, the unique things I've done to it. Motor mods, the EFI bike, testing the big bore, ported head, all that stuff. So the KLX has helped out a bunch when it comes to staying consistent with the uploads. And it's certainly a fun vehicle to make videos with. Being consistent not only keeps your current viewers engaged, but it also gives your new viewers something to keep on watching, get interested in your channel, boost the views up. Say you hit one big video, like you hit a big review video, and then that's it. They don't have any other content to base your channel off of. They might not want to stick around for very long. Being consistent, keep on posting videos, gives your new viewers and your old viewers something to keep on watching, keep them engaged. And like I said, it just keeps allowing more people to find your channel. The more videos you post, the more videos that YouTube has to recommend to other people, which of course is going to draw more traffic. When you're first starting out, you're going to post 1 time a week. Tell your viewers if you're going to post twice a week, 3 times a week. Make sure to be transparent with your viewers. Stick to that schedule. And especially if you're going to give them certain days like Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, make sure you stick with that because your viewers want to know when you're going to come out with a new video. They want to expect that, and it's a good way to keep them engaged. So yes, being consistent is important, which leads me into my next point. Keep it interesting. If you find a video topic that's working for you, build off of it, but don't be repetitive. Try to keep those videos in between the 10 to 20 minutes, depending on what genre of videos you're filming. But for the automotive, motorcycle stuff, 10 to 20 minutes seems to be the sweet spot. Below 10 minutes, those new viewers or your current audience even doesn't really give them much entertainment, and for the new viewers, it doesn't really allow them to gauge what they'll see on your channel too much. And over 20 minutes, I don't know a lot of people who have an attention span to watch a video longer than 20 minutes. Of course, you want to keep it entertaining while doing this. For most genres of videos, of course, you need to talk to be able to make a video. But while that's true, nobody wants to listen to you talk the whole video, so you need to throw some interesting things in like this from time to time. Keeping that entertainment value up during the video helps watch time, and watch time has a lot to do with getting your videos to other users' suggested videos and even the recommended page, which would be pretty sweet to get on there. Some of my highest viewed videos obviously have the highest watch time, like review videos, comparison videos, stuff like that. And of course the video that people find to be entertaining. Alright, fourth thing I have learned, is it quantity over quality or quality over quantity? Kind of a big question there. So is it going to be quality over quantity or quantity over quality? Well, that's a tough question to answer. Certainly with the bigger channels, people like to see some quality videos, good editing skills, cinematics, all that good stuff. And of course for smaller channels too, people might start following you because you have those good cinematic qualities. But I'll tell you one thing, some of my biggest videos have been me just going out on the bike for less than an hour, making a review, see the review and the comparison video right here. Those videos were just me going out, kind of had some thoughts in mind. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna talk about this bike, and that's pretty much it. No special editing skills for those, just trimming the videos, riding around on the bike. So some of my biggest videos, like I said, have been just me going out for less than an hour, no real planning involved. On the other hand, some of my most planned videos, such as the FZ09 reveal up there, those ones didn't do so well as the other ones. But can you attribute that to quality? Well, I guess you could, because part of quality is of course having good thumbnails, good titles and whatnot. So I'm sure a bunch of people have seen FZ09 build review, blah blah blah. So that could be a part of quality as well. So from what I've seen in the beginning stages of a YouTube channel, is that quantity certainly helps, being consistent. Of course you don't just want to go out and make a video to make a video, say, hey, I'm making a video right now because I want to be consistent, but I don't know what I'm gonna film. Because when you start doing that, you start becoming unenergetic, less enthusiastic to go out and make a video. And so if you're acting like that, well, your viewers probably aren't gonna wanna watch that. So again, keeping that balance between having fun, making these videos, and of course having some quality to them, but you wanna post and be consistent as well, because you wanna draw in more people to your channel. And well, of course, some people never have to go through the quantity stage. Some of them just hit a big video and that's that. And once you gain an audience, when you post a video, people are gonna wanna watch. So consistency moves to the back of the mind sometimes, and instead they focus on quality, which is fine because people enjoy watching them and their personality. And quite frankly, they know that their fan base is gonna come back to them when they post a video. And yet again, of course they have to be consistent. You know, they can't just say, oh, I'm gonna post 1 week, not tell their viewers anything, come back 2 weeks later, post another video. At least post once a week, you know. That's some of the things that the bigger channels are gonna do. But with the smaller channel, like I said, I found that keeping that balance between quality and quantity helps out a lot, because if you have a little bit of both, brings in more viewers, but it also keeps the viewers watching, which is helpful as well. Watch time helps out a lot, which you guys heard me talk about, and keeping it interesting, keep it entertaining. Watch time, you got to keep your viewers engaged, of course, to get on those YouTube recommended page suggested videos for other viewers. And like I said, once you find that topic that starts doing well for you, and of course that you enjoy, like I said in the beginning, go ahead and roll with it. Keep on going, making videos with that, but don't overextend it. For example, a big topic in the dual sport motorcycle world, well, I guess, yeah, the motorcycle world in general, is why I chose this bike, or can this bike do that? And so oftentimes creators make the same video 5 times, but just in different places, which can be a good strategy. But then over time you see, as they make those videos, their views start way up here, and then as they keep on doing those videos, they go down just to their normal level. So you got to keep it fresh, keep it interesting, and have fun. All right, and the last thing I've learned is just to ignore the haters. As you get going on YouTube here, you'll acquire some people who probably don't like your content, have something to say about your videos, but the best thing to do is just ignore them, because who are they to ruin your day, number one. And number two, it's just better not to give them the satisfaction that what they're saying is affecting you at all. So if they want to comment on your channel or dislike your videos, let them be. After all, it's going to help your videos anyway. Comment's a comment, like or dislike. It's all going to help the video interactions to go up, which is going to get the video out to more people. Okay, so the first thing I've earned here, probably the thing that most people are interested in. The FZ09 here is solely from YouTube. So without YouTube here, I probably wouldn't have the FZ09, but I'm not going to get into specifics with that. But the FZ09 is included in one of the things I've earned from YouTube. But let's go ahead and move on to some other things I've earned from being on YouTube for a year. So next thing I've earned here is the respect for other YouTubers who do this full time, and of course myself. A lot of people think that it's all fun and games posting videos, but there's actually a great deal of thought that goes into posting videos on YouTube as well, like marketing ideas, trying to grow your brand, and of course just filming and editing pretty much every day, one or the other. A lot of the time it takes a great deal of thinking, planning for sometimes videos, sometimes not, like I said earlier, but your marketing, your merch, all that stuff. So props to other YouTubers who do YouTube full-time, because it's not as easy as some people think. And then there's of course some more respect for myself. I wasn't a guy who gave up easily on anything, always working hard for whatever I have my mind set to, but doing YouTube for a whole year, and it just shows me that, hey, you can stick your mind to do something and you can do it, and there isn't anything that can stop you. I've also earned a couple pretty high top view videos. I remember making the first review video and it hit 1,000 views, and I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool. I didn't think I'd get there with the KLX, but sure enough, here we are. And then we have the comparison video, which ended up passing the review. So all that stuff is pretty amazing. Of course, I've earned all of you guys. Started last year before I posted that KLX sound video and review video at like 37 subscribers, something like that, which most of which were probably family or family friends. And now we are getting close to 1,600 and moving up to 2,000. And for me to get my first 1,000 took me about 9 months, and we're almost there in like 4 or 5 months. So that's super exciting to see how many of you have joined the channel, enjoy watching the videos I make, and I hope they bring some sort of value to the table. Of course, it's all thanks to you guys. I know you guys come back to watch the channel, the content on the channel, maybe even some to see my personality, but like I said, it's all thanks to you guys, and I wouldn't be doing what I'd be doing if it weren't for you and just having some fun. And the last thing I've earned is just motivation. Motivation to keep on going. I've been posting consistently to YouTube for over a year now, and I'm excited to keep on going. And I've seen over the past year, just keep on doing what you're doing, having fun, and the results will come with. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the action here. And here's to another year. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.